Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the BTS logo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing 2 lines down. Then from the top, let's angle it out and up. And the same thing from the bottom. Now let's close off each side with a line down. Now for the next part of the logo, let's draw BTS underneath. I'm going to start off by drawing some guidelines to help me get the height of the letters. You can decide to do this, but if you do, please draw in a pencil. Let's start in the center and let's draw the letter T. Let's draw a line across on top of the guideline. Then let's angle it down and in underneath each side. And then close it off at the bottom. Now underneath in the center, let's draw 2 lines down like this. And then close it off at the bottom. That's it for the letter T. Now let's hop to the left and draw the letter B. On the left, keeping it aligned to the logo above, let's draw a line down. Then at the top, let's bring it over, and the same at the bottom. And let's curve it down and up, meeting in the center. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 lines down on the left. And then a small line out from the top and bottom. And close off each one with a curve down. And that's it for the letter B. Lastly, on the right, let's draw the letter S. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 angled lines. Now from the left line, let's bring it up to the top. Bring it over. And curve it down. Then from the top of the other line, let's bring it up, over, and down. And close off the end. Now for the bottom part of the S, let's bring it down to the bottom, over to the left, and bring it up. And then from the other line, let's bring it down, over, and up inside. And close off the end. Now let's erase our guidelines. And that's it for the BTS logo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!